remember when I was younger, all I wanted was this vanity. I love these little jars, guys. Do I need them? Absolutely not. Do I love them? Yes. Hi guys, good morning. Happy December 13th. Today is Monday and I took a vacation day today, which is why I'm off, and I'm so sorry guys, my voice is still kind of gone right now. My mom and I are going to IKEA today to go shopping. We honestly don't need anything from IKEA, but we're just going because it's fun to walk around, and I have been to IKEA probably in almost 2.5 years, since way before the pandemic. And then we're also going to one of the malls in Burlington. I'm pretty much done my Christmas shopping at this point, but we're just gonna look around, see if there's anything else that we need to get last minute. I think we have to get some gifts still for my older sister, so we might pop in and look around there. But anyways, yeah, we're gonna go leave in like 10 minutes, go get coffee, drive, and I'll take you guys with me. This is my outfit for today, kind of baggy black sweater. I need to clean my mirror. I'm looking right now and I can see all the little dust specks. I need to clean that. And then I'm wearing just some Align leggings, and then my UGG Ultra Minis, and then just a bag and some sunglasses, and of course a mask. Okay guys, we're leveling up. We're getting a cart. This is the first thing we're adding. Guys, look how nice these are. I don't even know what I would put in it, but I just like the way that it looks. They also have really good little champagne flutes that are only $6. Also get a box of these. This setup is so cute. I want so many plants in my kitchen one day. I would like real plants, but I think I would kill them, so they might have to be fake. These lights are so nice. This showroom's so cute. There's a little room and bathroom. Guys, this is the famous TikTok couch where you can pull the base or pull the extension up from underneath it. It's really nice look-wise, but it's not the comfiest to lay on. Like if I were to get one of these couches, I would want it to be comfy enough for someone to sleep on it, but still, it's really nice. Guys, I looked forever for Connor and Charlie to try and find them a kitchen island, and they were out of stock for so long. I guess they just got some back, but the one here is $500, which actually is not a bad deal for an island at all. I just think it's funny because I was looking for them forever and they finally have some. We've entered the bedroom section. I would love to get one of these units in my closet, guys, because I have a walk-in, but I feel like I have no drawer space. I remember when I was younger, all I wanted was this vanity. I saw it in like every Disney movie over Visco, and I wanted it so bad. This is such an interesting idea. It's only $20 and it's like a pop-up. I love these little jars, guys. Do I need them? Absolutely not. Do I love them? Yes. Going through the baby section. I have no baby, but I like to go through here because it's so cute. We're heading in to get some lunch. This is so cool. They have all of their catalogs alongside here. You can get beer. You can get a little bottle of wine. IKEA shopping, so much fun. I don't know where my French press went, so I'm getting a new one. I like this salad tosser, guys. I'm going to get one. Salad tosser. What? We need it. This is my section, guys. Give me all the wine glasses. Guys, Mom just called me over to say this lid is so fun. Oh, uh-oh. You put it on the container and then it sticks. That's so innovative. We're in the final section, guys. Looking at plants. I'm definitely coming back here with Charlie, guys, in the next couple of weeks. He doesn't know it yet, but we're gonna be back because there's more stuff that I saw this time that I think he would benefit from having in his new place, and I also just want to come back. And these are all real plants. Cactus. I bought me a cactus one time thinking that I wouldn't kill it, and I did kill it, which is why I don't let myself have real plants anymore, because if I can kill a cactus, which is supposed to be the one plant you can't kill, I just don't deserve to have a real plant in my room. I love this. I think this is like a second-hand, like used furniture section of IKEA. That's so good. Guys, it was only $27. Okay guys, we're back in. That is probably the quickest amount of time I've ever been in and out of IKEA and the least amount of stuff we've ever bought. Mom is notorious for usually going in and buying a trolley full of stuff that we don't actually need, but just because we see it. So kudos to us, because I just bought a couple of things, only spent $27. I told myself that I wasn't gonna let myself spend more than like 100 or so, but that was way below. And then Mom just got chocolate, so now we're heading over to the mall just to walk around for a little bit. It's only 12:30 right now. I just ordered this coat from H&M. I got on Black Friday though, so it's like 100 bucks, but I only paid 79. I'm gonna try it on just to see what it looks like. This is the coat, guys. It's super long, which is why I liked it. And it's not very heavy either. I wanted it to be really long, but not super heavy. But it's a great deal. I definitely would recommend getting this. I'm wearing an extra small right now though, so if you do get it, make sure you size down because it is pretty oversized. I gave in. I'm getting a sweater and then mini Uggs because they're only $19. We're going to Charmed Aroma. It's Harry Potter. We have the golden egg, guys. Look at this little cauldron. There's a mug. Like, these are so cute. They have Mickey, guys. Look at how cute these are. I'm in Victoria's Secret right now, and I realized I haven't bought myself new bras or anything in so long. Look at how pretty these corsets are. So nice. I feel like I want to get one just for fun. Hey guys, we're in Aerie. What do we think about this headband? I've been seeing people on Instagram wear them. I feel like it's not my look. This hat is also very cute. Why are you laughing at me? Hey guys, we just got home and look, my coat came in, which is so funny because I just tried it on in the store. I'm gonna give you guys a quick little recap of everything that I just got. Okay guys, it is a big jacket, but I think it's cute. It's definitely oversized. It's not too heavy, just for walking on the streets. I just wanted a super long jacket to keep my legs warm. Yeah, I really like it. I think it's cute. No hood, but I'll hide my face in this part. I also got this sweater, which is like a ribbed tan sweater from H&M. This one was only like $39, I think. Mom and Keith are over in the living room watching TV, but I just want to show you guys quickly what I got. First thing is from IKEA, I got this salad spinner. Mom didn't think it was necessary, but I think it will be handy. I'm just gonna open it to see. And it's so easy to use. You just, oh wait, okay, it's supposed to be easy to use. This is a fail. You guys can see we spin the top. So cute. So this was $5. Also got this glass ball with the cork on top. Honestly, I don't know what I'm gonna put in it. I probably wouldn't try and put fruit water in here, so like cucumber, strawberries, and then just leave it in the fridge. Last year I lost, actually I think both of the French presses to Charlie, but this one was $10. It's massive, so I got a new French press. And then last but not least, I think I'm using it as my tripod right now. I got 6 new champagne flutes, and these were super cheap too. They ended up being like $1 a glass. And I also got this small pair of Uggs. I don't know if I'm gonna keep them or not, but they're like these little black booties as well. And yeah, that was our shopping day today. I didn't actually spend that much, but I feel like I got some fun stuff. And then this is Keith, the ground. He's old, so we leave him down here sometimes.